Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're excited to draw today. USA soccer or football superstar Christian Pulisic. Now the pronunciation of this name could be Pulisic, Pulisic, different pronunciations, but in America they seem to say Christian Pulisic. So World Cup superstar, they call him Captain America. Let's get started. Find the center of your paper up and down, center of your paper across. We'll do Christian's head large up here. So grab a dark marker, it can be dark gray or black, find the pointed tip, and here we go. So Christian's face is a little bit longer and skinnier. So we'll start on the cheekbone and go down to a pointed chin. Come across, up. Okay, his ears are a little pointy as well, so we're gonna go kind of bigger, pointier ears, almost like an elf, how they go up to a point. Now his head right here goes, it kind of bulges out, and then goes up to an arch and down to connect. All right, let's do the neck. Comes down, and a arch to connect. The shoulders, the sleeve of the jersey, down to the waist, across, and up to the other sleeve. Okay, so we have the shirt. We're gonna do the shorts right now. Let's do down, over, up, down, over, and connect up to the shirt. We'll do the legs and the soccer socks, down, and arch, down, and arch. Cool. All right, we're gonna do the big soccer cleats, kind of a oversized fun soccer cleat, kind of clown shaped. So here's the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 shoelace. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the other shoelace. We're gonna make this come out and down. Bring straight across. Stop at the ankle. We're gonna connect up to this ankle. The other ankle we're gonna bring down. Do the same thing, come straight across to the other side of the page, up, and connect to the shoelace. Let's do some spikes, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spikes for the cleats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great, looking good. Right here, let's do a big soccer ball. He's maybe holding it on his waist. So I'm gonna start right here on the waist. I'm gonna go big circle and connect. His arm is coming out and down, out and down, and maybe he's holding onto the ball. Those are his fingers. Kind of looks funny. Here's his other arm, down, up, thumb. Follow this line to the other finger. Bump, bump, bump. So basically he's holding up the number 1, like USA number 1. All right, we're gonna do a couple of ovals for eyes right here. Oval number 1, oval number 2, circle, circle, little circle, little circle, do an arch, an arch. Okay, these stay white, so we're gonna color this area in with our dark marker, fill it in, leave these circles, these highlights white, because those are exactly the highlights from the stadium lights. And we'll color that in real fast. We're gonna do a nose. We're gonna do 1, 2, kind of raindrops. A smile, we'll do a down, up, down, and a little mark for the bottom lip. Now let's do some eyebrows, arches that are kind of close to the eye. Up, up. He has thicker eyebrows, so these eyebrows are going to be a little bit thicker. And his hair starts about right here. Kind of goes up, down to a point. We'll do a little curl like that. All right, cool. There's the outline of Christian, Captain America, Pulisic, whatever you want to say. Get your blue marker, a dark blue marker for the jersey. Find the pointed tip. We're going to do the number 10 really fast. Down, over, up, over, and connect. Straight across, angle down, come down to about that one, angle in, over, angle up, and connect to the 0. Inside we'll do a rectangle. And there's your number 10. We'll do the same thing. We're going to do a small number 10 over here, so real small. I'll do it fast. You can pause if you need to watch the number 10. I understand it's a little challenging to draw. Okay, there's the socks. So we're going to do blue socks, blue shorts. We're going to draw the big shield, so come straight across, down to a point, down to a point. Okay, this is the USA emblem. Over here we'll do the soccer ball. Over, down, down, over, up, and connect. Do another one. Up. These are the designs in the soccer ball. You can make your soccer ball look however you want, honestly. Just a bunch of shapes. Alrighty, we'll color these in. So there we have Christian Pulisic, however you want to say it. Here we go. We're going to do brown hair, flesh color, brown eyebrows, dark blue jersey. We'll color in the USA emblem. We'll do a red, white, and blue soccer ball, blue shorts. We'll do his famous orange kind of red soccer boots, football boots, cleats, whatever you want to say. And there you have it. Thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. USA World Cup superstar, Christian Pulisic, Captain America. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, let us know who else you want to see us draw, and fast forward now.